Alright, if you face any problem while installing Power BI, do not hesitate to let me know in the Q&A section. Now I am assuming that you have already installed Power BI. So if you open it, you will see something like this. Don't worry about this sign in or anything in here. Just click on close and you are fine. Right, now let's see some of the basic settings that we have to make to work in Power BI. So firstly, you will go to the files, then options and settings, and then you have to click on options. So when you click on options, a pop-up will open pretty soon, I believe. Yeah, so now the first step, you need to go to the preview features and you have to uncheck all of them. So if you have anything checked in here, you have to uncheck all of them. Secondly, what you have to do, you have to go to the data load and you have to uncheck this option, which is auto detect data, auto detect new relationships after the data is loaded. We don't need this option to open, and I will explain this later why we are unchecking this option. Now thirdly, you have to go to the regional setting. So for me it's English India. You can make whatever changes you want. So if you are coming from United States, you have to select United States from here, right? So for me it's India, so I will just keep it as it is and I will click on OK.